Everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, my name is May. Welcome. And in today's video, I will be taking you along in making a yarn inventory. So I have a lot of yarn because I have my Etsy shop, so I make plushies, custom plushies. So I have different types of colored yarn and they're scattered all over the place at the moment. So I have multiple bags, multiple drawers, and a box filled with bulky yarn like plushy yarn. So I want to draft an inventory to know what I have, because last time I ordered, I realized I still have that yarn and I don't want to be wasting money in that type of sense. If I have the old one, I can still use. So I will be taking you along today. I'll show you all my yarn and I'll show you how I personally keep an inventory of everything, and then we'll also organize it and put away what needs to be put away and etc. So yeah, let's get organizing. So this is the mountain of yarn that I have collected. So what I'll do now is luckily they're all from Hobby, so that makes it easier for me. What I'll do is I have two different types. I have the honey bunny and I have this baby snuggle. So what I'll do, I'll separate them on my bed into those two categories and then I'll get back to you. So now that I have my two piles, or like if you could call it two piles of yarn laying on my bed, I'll grab my notepad that I have on my iPad, and I just use the notes or the app Good Notes. And what I've done is I'll put it up here. So what I've done so far is I just made columns. So I put in the brand, the color name, the color number, the grams of each skein that is when you buy it, and then the grams that I have left. So now I have only honey bunny left, so I'll do, or only honey bunny written down. So I will do that one first. So I don't know all the color names, but I will look it up on their website. So some of them I know the names because I use them a lot for my orders, and some of them they still have the label. I don't have the fancy like yarn winding machine, so I'm sorry I won't be able to bring you that type of satisfaction. But I also have a column needed in case I need to buy, if it's running out, if I would have enough for a other project or not. That's what needed is for. So yeah, let's get started. Forgot to mention I also have my scale already, so I'll be weighing them, and probably all the ones that I have multiples of, like multiple full skeins, I'll just put them in a box and then probably put them in my basement. And then whatever I have one skein or like one and a little bit, I'll just put them back in my drawer that I have. And then I'll know what I have, and in case I run out, I can either go to my basement or I need to order it. So that's the plan. So these two I am using to create a pattern actually. So I have used this blue one to make an order recently, so I did write it down, but yeah, if someone orders it, I would most likely need to buy new ones of these ones. So I'm gonna keep these ones separately. So for example, this one and this one, they don't have a label anymore, and I don't remember the number or the color, what it's called. I think this is called plum. Yeah, because that's lilac. This is plum. Okay, so no, that was if as I don't know the number or the color, I will. What will I do? Oh yeah, I'll just go on their website, or I'll go on my Etsy listing. I have the names of them on my Etsy listing, and then I can check the website for the numbers that they have. So no worries. I've needed a page 2. So this is what I have so far. I don't have certain names, but I have the numbers. And then I wrote down if I have less than one skein, more than one skein, or more than 2, so to say. And then now I will continue with the other side, and yeah, I'll get back to you. So this is kind of my at-home yarn area, yarn drawer under my bed. It's quite practical. The only thing is it opens this far because of my nightstand, and I know that I can move my nightstand, but I don't want to. So I'll just be putting the yarn that I didn't put in the box, I'll put it in here. I think I'll do the most common yarns in the front, and then stuff that I haven't used, like this black or even this green that I just recently purchased, I think I'll put them in the back. And then also together with these, I was doubting if I should even keep these upstairs because they're not on my shop at the moment. But if I need to make something or like test something, I can always use this. But then I'll put these ones in the back. So that's what I'll be doing right now. Thank you so much for joining me today as I'm clearing out my yarn and organizing and inventoryizing everything. I've also stumbled across this yarn. I think it's called Sunflower. It's a cotton 8x8. So I accidentally bought this because I thought it was the yellow that I needed for my temperature blanket, but it's not. So I have like 3 skeins of 50 grams and I don't know what to do with them because I don't want to start a project that will make more. I don't want to start something where I would need to buy more of these. So if you have any like 1 skein or 3 skein, they're 50 grams each and I have 3 of them. So if you have any pattern ideas or you want to see something, please let me know in the comments below so that I can also clear this yarn out. So yeah, thank you very much. I did order just now because my camera was overheating probably and I had to change my batteries, so I did order a yarn winder. So if that one comes in before I need to edit this video, I will pop a clip in of some yarns that I am winding, and if not, stay tuned because then there will be this very special video coming out. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, leave a comment and subscribe because it really helps out my channel. If you have any other tips, tricks, ideas on how I can best store my yarn, also please leave that in the comment below so that I can be more efficient because I don't want yarn scattered everywhere in my house. How much I would love that and bring a lot of color into the place, maybe it's not the best idea. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!